Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can DM someone on Twitter. So the first thing you have to do is open the Twitter app, and after you do that, at the bottom right corner you will see that there is an icon with an envelope. You are going to hit on that icon right there, and right here, as you can see, this is our inbox with all the messages that we receive or send. So what I'm going to do right here is hit that this icon with write a message, and right here you have to search for the account that you want to message. And let's say, for example, I want to choose right now the PayPal account. So after I choose the account that I want to send a message, right here I have this option, start a message, and I'm just going to go for it, and let's say I want to send a hello. And right after that, I want to click this icon at the bottom right with the plane. So as you can see right here, my message has been sent. Right now, I also have this option right here to select and add some GIFs to the conversation, and of course some images from my gallery. One most important thing is, in order to exchange messages with someone on Twitter, you have to follow each other. So the account that you want to send a message must follow you, and you must follow that account. And of course, there are some accounts that allow to receive messages requests. So if this account right here allows messages requests, you can send a message to that account. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.